In this choose this or that, a compact mechanical keyboard faces off against a silky membrane keyboard for typing, gaming, and long study sessions. Pros of mechanical, tactile feedback, satisfying click, durable switches. Cons, louder, heavier, pricier, and harder to customize. Pros of membrane, quiet operation, slim profile, affordable builds. Cons, softer feedback, shorter lifespan, less precise control. For writers who type all day, mechanical keyboards can boost speed and accuracy, while casual readers may enjoy the silent option. Tell us which you choose and why, and invite a friend to vote, turning this into a friendly keyboard debate.